This year, the Volvo Cars Safety Center Crash Lab celebrates its 20th anniversary. At the time of its opening, it was the most advanced crash lab in the world, and in many ways it still is today.
When inaugurating this facility 20 years ago, it was unique in its appearance, enabling us to recreate any type of crashes that our team find in the real world, with real people in real traffic.
Before a physical crash test, the car model has already gone through thousands of computer-simulated scenarios.
At Volvo, we set our own standards. We develop beyond what is rating and what is a legal requirement. We do that based on what we see in the field.
The Crash Lab contains 2 test tracks of 108 and 154 meters long, respectively. The shorter track is adjustable between 0 and 90 degrees, allowing for different crash angles. Cars can be crashed at speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour.
At Volvo Cars, we have a vision that no one should be seriously injured or killed in a new Volvo. Having that mindset in combination with very dedicated people, a dedicated organization, and facilities like this is really what makes the difference.
The outside area is used for performing tests like rollover crashes and run-off-road scenarios, whereby cars are launched into a ditch at high speeds. Both the car and the barriers are fitted with sensors that register the entire chain of events in detail. Dozens of ultra-high-definition cameras also film the impact from multiple angles. Since its opening in 2000, the lab has crashed on average 1 car every day.
Safety has been at the core of everything we do since 1927. For us, it has always been about protecting people.
I'm really excited with all the possibilities with electrification, connectivity, and autonomous drive. And I know this lab will continue to help us save lives also in the future.